I'm going to show you how to change your Forms on Fire password. When you're added as a user to Forms on Fire, you're provided a temporary password. Now you want to change it. There are two easy ways to change your temporary password. The first way is to navigate to the Forms on Fire cloud platform at secure.formsonfire.com. If you log in with your temporary password, you can change it right in the cloud platform by clicking on the Change Password in the menu drop-down. Alternatively, you can click on Forgot My Password on the platform login screen. The second easy way to change your password is in the Forms on Fire mobile application. If you log in with your temporary password, you can change it in the settings page of the mobile app. Alternatively, you can click on Forgot My Password on the mobile application login screen. Now you know how to change your Forms on Fire password. Don't forget, our amazing support team is here to help you every step of the way. Join me for our next tutorial video, Mobile Forms that Work Beautifully.